Well, hello there, YouTube. What can you tell? It's winter. Look how brown and dormant everything is. When I come by here in the spring, then all those fields are completely full of wildflowers and everything's green. There's wildflowers alongside the road, and I'm going to get some of those this year. I'm going to fly over some of those big, huge wildflower fields with the drone too. That'll be really pretty. We've got blue bonnets, that Indian paintbrush. I've even seen like what looks like red bonnets. But I'm heading over towards Llano. I think I'm going to get some barbecue to take home for dinner. What a great day though. Kind of windy. We've had pretty light wind the last couple days, and as soon as I take a day off, we've got strong winds. The flags are standing straight out. Winds coming from the south. Anyway, great day though. I know I always say that. Of course, I don't ride on bad days. Well, I do actually. I don't ride in the rain in the winter. I freeze to death. But anyway, I talked about YouTube and demonetizing. I don't know if I actually use that video. They may close my account. Anyway, bye. Well, here's Coopers BBQ. You know, barbecue is really expensive. This is a great store though. Coopers BBQ in Llano, but it's really expensive. I just got like a quarter, maybe probably not even a half a pound of brisket and a half a pound of turkey and a couple sides. It was $54. I don't know why brisket is pretty pricey. Anyway, let me show you how slow reverse is on this thing. How about that, huh? It just uses the electric motor. Pretty slow. But it is what it is. It'll still back up this and a trailer. Just not uphill. There's no way you're going to go back this thing uphill. But anyway, God, this is rough coming out of here. I always drag. Well, didn't drag this time. Anyway, I'll head back. I got some dinner. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Lord, gas is expensive over here too. $2.46 a gallon. Holy moly! I'll wait till I get to Burnett where it's like $2.19 and $2.15 and Lord.